Hey all, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the rear taillight assembly on this 2008 Toyota Tundra. First, open the tailgate. Remove these two bolts using a T30 Torx bit. There's a pin right here that comes out this way, so we need to disengage it. You can either grab the light and pull on it with your hands, or you can use a trim tool like this just to gently pop it out. So now this light housing is free. You'll need to get all the bulbs out of it, so just grab the connectors, turn them counterclockwise, and pull all the lights out, and then you can just let them rest. So to reinstall this housing, you're gonna want to install all the bulbs back. So look at them. You have like wider tabs right here, and the housing has wider slots. So line the wide ones with the wide ones, turn clockwise until it stops, and do that to all three lights. Okay, just like this. And then these are the two tabs that we need to install into these two grommets right here for the light to clip in. This wire goes in here, and then install the two claws into the grommets. Now reinstall these two bolts with the T30 Torx heads and tighten them. The manufacturer does not provide a torque spec for them, so they just go into little clips on a plastic light, so they don't need to be super tight, maybe like 5 or 7 foot-pounds, but just snug them up until they feel like they're not gonna loosen themselves on their own. Okay, and now we can close the tailgate, and that's it. The job is completed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Toyota Tundra maintenance and repair videos. See you next time. Cheers.